Perfect. So, yes, let's go, let's do this. Hello, what's up? Welcome if you are new and welcome back if you've been there before. My name is Justine Lamer. I am a social media consultant and a content creator. And here on YouTube, I love to make videos about creating amazing and unique content as well as give you some social media tips. So if you like those kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe down below. And let's go into today's video. Okay, so I am in the Christmas spirit still and always. Today is a really rainy day in Florida. Obviously, I wanted to shoot my video with my beautiful Christmas tree on the back. So today, a really special video because we are going to talk about the app Vllo. I've made a video about Vllo already here if you want to check it out. This is the video on how I did my YouTube videos on Vllo on my iPad Pro, so really cool tips and information about the app over here. But today I wanted to show you how to make meme GIfs video on Vllo. I heard that if you want your Instagram to grow, people need to save your post. I'm not really sure about this, but I think it's cool that people can, want to save your posts either because there's a good information in it or because it's funny or whatever. And the thing that is really cool is when people share your posts, because obviously when they share it, more people see it and more people, going to go see your profile, I guess. So, yeah. Today we're going to make that meme GIfs on Vllo for you to share it on your Instagram feed and maybe going to be reshared by other people for you to have more views on your Instagram profile. So that sounds like a great deal. Why do I feel like I already talked too much? Alright, so first obviously you will need to download the app Vllo. It's free to download and free to use, but you will not have access to the entire app obviously because this is an in-app purchase. So if you want to be able to use Vllo forever and have all the features, you will have to pay for the app, and it's about $10 for life. This is yours, this is not a subscription. You buy it once and this is yours forever. First, this is my personal making process. I'll say I like to go in the other app before. I want my meme GIfs posts to be different. I want my meme GIf, whatever, to be different from other things that I see online. So I want to make a video one. So I want a video on the background of my meme GIf. Know what I'm saying? Okay. I like to go on the other app to do so, but you can find any kind of video online on Unsplash or Pixels. I will give the link down below for you to get some video for free, like some resources. Okay, so what I do, let me record my screen quick. I go on over and here I will select transparent. And for this video, because we're going to make something for Instagram, we can choose one of Instagram side. Either you can choose a square or the portrait mode. So I'm going to do portrait because I like how it takes all the screen. And from here, I'm going to go in video and over videos. Here you have tons of free stock videos from over that you can use. Since it's Christmas and I want to do some Christmas content, it's not Christmas, but it is. I'm going to write snow because we are going to make a memes GIf Christmas kind of thing. Those are the free stock video related to snow. We're gonna choose this one. And so we're going to resize it. And now we save it. This is all I do all over. Now, the rest of the job, it's going to be on Vllo. So what I'm going to do is create a video. We are going to use the video we just made on the other app. And we're going to choose Instagram for 5 here because that's the portrait one. And here we are. We have 12 seconds of snow, so that's great. So as you can tell, it's going to be our background. We are going to find our GIF. So I already found my GIF earlier. Here on the side of the app, as you can see, it says GIF, so you can already bring you GIF, and I found this GIF on Giphy.com on the app. So I'm going to put it somewhere here, bring it to the beginning of my video and at the end of my video because I want my GIF to be all the way centered, so that's great. And so where I found my GIF, I went on the app Giphy. See, it's already there, so I tap on Christmas here and search for it, just saved to camera roll here. Now we have our background and our GIF. So this is how it looks like for now. Yeah, she's like super excited. So we need to write something to make it either fun or I don't know if it's gonna be funny, okay, but I'm trying. So we're gonna say, since it's November and like everybody's ready for Thanksgiving and all of that, most people in November thinking of Thanksgiving, and me is the GIF. Okay. I know, not funny, but kind of cool. Alright, let's do it. So we can do one of those caption things. So we're gonna do, which one shall we do? I was thinking maybe like a caption things like this one and put it up here, and this one would say most people in November equal Thanksgiving, because I mean that would be the logic stuff. Okay, so most people in November equal Thanksgiving, alright. And then we're gonna use a motion sticker to do the me. So we're going to try to find a me like this one, and we're going to drag the me until the end because we want it all the way through the video. There's a lot of different things you can do. We're going to change the font like that, and now we're going to export it. Once it's exported, it says did you exported it. We're going to go on Instagram and most people in November, Thanksgiving, me, Christmas next, and this is going to be our, you know, post. So that's kind of cool. If people like it, they will share it, and yeah, this is how you make meme GIF on the Vllo app. Alright guys, I really hope that you liked today's video. I don't know if that was a funny GIF or not, but that was an example, all actually the things that you can do with the app Vllo and making those memes GIFs. So if you have some better ideas than mine, you definitely have the basics on how to do so. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, take care. Thank you so much. Bye.